Okay, students, today we will go for the revision. Okay, some questions that revision part 4 already been uploaded. Okay, okay. Now solve this question quickly. Solve this question quickly. The volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is volume equal to 48 pi. Height is 9 centimeter and volume is 48 pi. Find the diameter. Find the diameter. Quickly find it down. Diameter. Quickly find its diameter. Amrita, Rajonna, Diya, Abhinandan and Nafisa. Okay. Nafisa, solve it quickly. A cone whose height is 9 centimeter, volume is 48 pi. Then find the diameter of its base. Quickly. Ronit Dotto is now joined. Okay, Ronit, well, good afternoon. Quickly solve it. Diameter 8 centimeter. Okay, anyone else? Solve it quickly. Okay, so what students have answered. Student, it is given that volume equal to 448 pi. Height is given. Height equal to 9 centimeter. Height equal to 9 centimeter it is given. We know that the volume of cone, that is 1/3 pi r square h equal to 48 pi. Now r is not known. Actually in this question we have to calculate the r, and h is also given, that is pi. So pi remove, and r square equal to 48 into 3 by h, that is 9. So 3 16. R square equal to 16. Obviously r equal to 4. So therefore diameter equal to 8. Diameter equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, most probably yes, 8 centimeter. Okay. So who have answered that? Amrita, Abhinandan, Nafisa, Suhana. Okay. So is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Amrita, yes sir. Okay, Rajonna, Ronit. I hope it is clear. If anyone have any doubt, tell me. I want to solve your doubt or clear your doubt quickly. Diya, it is clear? Okay, Diya, it is clear. Okay, next question. So this is the first question of today. Next question. A cone. Whose radius is 6 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. Find its volume. Find its volume. Height is 7 centimeter and base radius is 6 centimeter. Find its volume quickly within 1 minute. Nafisa Akhtar 264, Rajonna 264. Okay, just 20 seconds to go. 264. Okay, so look at the board everyone. So it is very easy, some students, that r equal to 6 centimeter is given and h equal to 7 centimeter given. So simple question, volume equal to 1/3 pi into r 12, 7, 7. Okay. So how you have got 264? Right circular cone radius 6 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. Okay, sorry student, that is height, not height 7 centimeter. It will be 7 only. Okay, it will be 7 only. So 7 remove 12 into 22. 12 into 22. So obviously we will got, okay, that is 12 into 22. 24 into 24 to 264 centimeter cube. Okay, it is the answer. 264 centimeter cube. Okay, it is clear to everyone. It is clear to everyone. Yes or no? Quickly answer it. It is clear. Okay. Now third question. Okay. A triangle, it is 18, it is 18, it is 10, it is x. Perimeter equal to 42. Perimeter equal to 42. Okay. Find the area. Okay, a triangle 10 centimeter, 18 centimeter, and it is x. Perimeter is 42. Find the area. Quickly, I will give you only 1 minute 30 seconds for that sum. 18, 10, x, perimeter 42, then find its area. Very easy sums. Quickly, 1 minute 30 seconds. Start now. You have taken only 40 seconds. Very good. Within 40 seconds, already 3 students have answered. 3 students have answered within 50. That Orfit also answered to 21 to 11. Very good. Anyone? Ronit Dutta, I hope Ronit will give the correct answer. Look at the board. So perimeter is 42. Therefore 10 plus 18 plus x equal to 42. Is it clear? Therefore x will be 10, 18, 28, 40. X will be 14 centimeter. X will be 14 centimeter. Now we know that half perimeter is 21. Half perimeter 21. So area equal to that formula S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now S means that is 21. S minus A, that is 3. S minus B, that is 7. S minus C, that is 11. Now student, that is also 21, that is also 21. 21 into 21 will come out of root, that is root 11. Very easy sums. Okay, that is 21 root 11 centimeter square. Okay, so third question we have solved. Now question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. Listen carefully. Okay. So here some blue ball and some red ball. have drawn a ball, and that probability of that blue ball is A. That x by 2 means probability. X by 2 means probability of blue ball. Okay. Now, question is, what is the probability? What is the probability? Oh, sorry. If find x if picking the blue ball, the probability of picking the blue ball is 2 by 3. Is 2 by 3. Okay, one data is wrong. That is probability. That is great. Again, I am dictating the sums because some confusions are there. No need to write the construction. Look at the blue balls and red ball. Probability of getting red ball, that is x by 2, and probability of getting blue ball 2 by 3. Then find the value of x. Probability of getting blue ball, that is 2 by 3. Probability of getting red ball, x by 2. Then find the probability, find the value of x. Find the value of x quickly. Any doubt regarding that question? Any doubt regarding that question? That will be written on the notice. It will be written. Rajanna 2 by 3. Okay, Rajanna answer. Anyone else? Suhana 2 by 3. Okay. Orpit 2 by 3. 3 students have already answered. Okay, you have taken 50 seconds for that answer. 4 answer I have got, that Rachonna 2 by 3, Swana 2 by 3, Orpit 2 by 3, Nafisa 2 by 3. What is the answer of Amrita? 2 by 3 also. Okay. Dia, your answer? Look at the board. At first, when I have discussed probability, 2 by 3, okay. When I have discussed probability, that time I have told you that probability of any event and opposite event equal to 1. Probability of getting head, one coin is tossed, probability of getting head plus probability of getting tail, that equal to 1. Have I discussed in your class earlier? Yes or no? So only 2 balls are there, blue and red ball. So probability of getting red ball plus probability of getting blue ball must be 1. So red ball, that is x by 2, blue ball, that is 2 by 3, equal to 1. So x by 2 equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. So that is 1 by 3. And x equal to 2 by 3. Okay? So your answer is absolutely correct. That is 2 by 3. Okay? Any doubt? Okay, students, in this question, if it is asked, what is the probability of red ball? what is the probability of red ball? What you will say? What is the probability of getting red ball? Quickly answer this question. Yes, 1 by 3. It's very easy because x by 2. X by 2 is the probability of red ball. So x by 2 means x by 2. Just put down the value of x. That is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 2. So 2 to remove 1 by 3. Got it? Got it, everyone? Okay. Now question number 5, and it is last question also. Plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Then find p of minus 2. Find p of minus 2 quickly within 1 minute. Quickly within 1 minute. Zero. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else? Quickly. Sir, my graphical question will come in the exam. Graph is in your syllabus. If you have in syllabus, then it will come. I think it is not in your syllabus. Anyone else? Okay, let me check the answer. Her answer is right or wrong. Only Tia Bose have answered. Okay, so P of minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 into 1 by 4 minus t cube. Now minus t cube means that is 1 minus 1 by 8. Okay, now 2 minus 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 8. Sir, linear equation in 2 variable is there. Linear equation in 2 variable is there. I think I have eliminated that. I have eliminated the chapter here. Most probably this answer. Check it, everyone. Check the sums, everyone. Okay, today I am saying the chapters which are coming to exam. statistics, probability, mensuration, surface area, volume, Heron's formula, construction, circles, polynomials, number system, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is there. Okay. So what is your answer? Amrita, you get 7 by 8. Why? Why is 7 by 8 minus 2? 1 by 4. Just check the calculation. Okay. So today I end this class here, students. So those who are present, write down yes sir in the chat box. Those who are present, write it down yes sir in the chat box.